Savannah. Let me stop. I'm doing it again. That sounds like a bird. Who needs to hear all this in the beginning? Like, nobody. Hush your mouth. Do hair. Make it look cute. Yeah, that's it. I have you guys like on my sink. If it falls, then it falls, but I have to prep my hair because I had it in a bun. I had to use the edge control, you know, keep the flyaways down, and well, the shit is stiff.
My hair has been like this for about a month now. My hair, it don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? It don't move.
I was doing some little business things today and had to have the little slick back bun so I could, you know, look like something. I can look, you know, because presentation is key, you know. All I'm gonna do is pretty much just make my curls look nice, you know, freshen up my hair, and then we're gonna fast forward to my room where I'm gonna start putting this stuff in my hair. So, all right, so I switched my shirt because this is like a shirt that I don't really care if it gets messed up too much. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna take this necklace off because I feel like it's gonna get stained. I'll put it back on, like, if I remember to put it back on. You guys can kind of see my bed. It is what it is. It look a little cute, don't you think? Yeah. So I have my gel. I have Ecostyler gel that's almost gone, but I have a humongous like amount of it up there, like the big jar. So I'm not pressed. I have this little brush just in case I need to brush my hair because I had to do some stuff around the room. So I'm pretty sure it started to dry up on me. So I might have to like add some, you know, little sprints and a little brushy. Got a little wide tooth comb. I don't really think I'll need that. And then the spray bottle. I don't really think I'll need that because I don't. But now into the color. It has a barcode sticker on it. So I'm so sorry. Like, is it focusing? So yeah, it's not like you promised. Let me adjust. Ooh, okay, so I have you on my new ring light. I don't know how y'all like this lighting, but like it broke before I got the chance to use it. Had people over, and then it's just like after that mysteriously thing just broke on me. I don't know, but I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit so it's not like so harsh, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna open this up. Just look at the heck. So that's what we're looking like. Ooh. I'm gonna adjust my light so y'all can see. There you go. Okay. Why am I putting it on a white towel? What, Shania? Where's your brain cells? The heck? Why am I about to put my finger in it? I haven't even taken one of these out. So I'm gonna start on this side. Take a little clip out. See it? So cute, isn't it? And I'm cute. So great combination. It reminds me of pumpkin, like pumpkin spice, like, and because I've carved pumpkins this month, so it's reminding me of that. Ooh, not promising, but it's okay. We'll make it work. It's giving like a bronze. I feel like I'm gonna look like, you know, a little spicy pumpkin. Maybe not. Maybe I'll look like. Isn't there a witch? Never mind. I'm always thinking of stuff. I think it's like the woman from Hocus Pocus. Like she had like orange or like red hair. Like I don't know why I could imagine myself looking like her, but yeah, I don't know. It's giving brown too, like a lighter toned brown because my hair is like a dark brown. So I feel like the orange is just making it look like a lighter brown. Looking like, I'm gonna get closer for y'all. Because I can't touch anything, so I'm like dragging the chair across the floor. Ooh, okay. Okay. Another thing that I like to do too when I see that it's covering like this, like it's not very like opaque, is that the word? But it's not like the color isn't very thick, vibrant on my hair, because I know it's like because my hair is a little bit too damp, but I don't want it to dry up in the process of me putting it on my hair. Okay. I don't want it to dry up in the process of me doing my hair, so I always like to make it a little bit more damp than it needs to be, but not like soaking wet. So as it dries, that's when I like come back and kind of like go over the areas that didn't really apply well, and that usually helps too.
So that's what I'm feeling like I'm gonna have to do this time, because it's giving, but it's looking real crazy right now.
You can hear the moisture in my hair too. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this just to like freshen up my curls a little bit, because I just feel like when you twist your hair up, it's like the curls get so stretched out and it just don't be cute no more. I feel like this is cute, like if you look like a little pumpkin patch or something, and like you want your you want your hair to be like a little spicy.
Oh shit.
You know, a little pumpkin spicy, you know? So I feel like that would be cute for this. If you have blonde hair, I feel like it would probably be better because it would look very much orange. But if you have darker hair like mine, I feel like you're just gonna get a more pale orange versus like a more vibrant orange like you see on my hands. Oh my god. Like, damn, bro. Like, I thought my eye was going to start burning. I was like, please don't get in my eyeball. Please don't. I'm not in a position to get that out very quickly. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. But I don't know. Let's get it. What is it? I don't know. Drake would not be proud. See what I mean? Like, it doesn't cover really well underneath unless like you really go in and get that. So I'm gonna just let that dry. It's giving me reminders of the blonde that I had. Should I take this over or should I take the top now? I'm gonna take the ugh, felt good. And since I chose and since I chose a shirt that's white, well, white in some areas, you can definitely see how it transfers. So good representation through my choices, you know? Demonstration, representation, same thing. No, it's not. Am I giving slow right now? Just a little bit. I feel like I look like a whole different nationality. Like, the thing is, I don't even know what I am. That's gonna be another YouTube video. Like, I'm gonna do that little ancestry. I said,
You need to leave.
we're not gonna talk about it. I like it. It looks a lot better in person than it does on camera right now, but I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm not gonna lie though, look at my curls, son. Damn! Oh, look at them. I just had to show y'all, like, it's giving what it was supposed to give. Ah, so cute. Doubt it, don't lie, it do. Okay. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. Oh, if y'all have not noticed either, like, my hair has definitely grown. And this is giving like a orangey blonde. Like, I don't know, like when you first dye your hair and you're not getting that full shade of blonde. My hair is growing, guys. Ah! I be too psyched when my hair grows. Like, even though sometimes I want to just chop that crap off, like get a razor. I just flipped y'all off, I'm so sorry. Get a razor and just be like, you know, like, it just be too much. Like, especially when your hair is just disobedient as crap and it's not trying to do a style that you really want to do. That really grinds my gears, okay? I'm really just in here like, I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line. We not even do that. The next thing you know, I done offended some people, or I got some people showing up like, yo, you rep that, cuz? Like, you rep that?